Hello, everyone. Today, I'll go blast my big horn. But warning, this is the world's loudest horn, and as you can see inside, there's a world's loudest cover there. So, yeah. This is the world's loudest horn, but that's the biggest horn I ever used. So let's go ahead and blast to see how loud this thing is. Yeah, it's the world's loudest horn. I hear some dogs barking, but that's okay. No worries. Anyways, but yeah, be careful with this because this is the loudest horn. So, yep. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I will see you in the next one. Love you all.